Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best bathroom floor tile ideas that will make your bathroom into a much better bathroom than before. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. The bathroom is one of the most important rooms in our homes. Decorating the bathroom well means that we will spend hours of relaxation in our bathtub feeling calmer and more peaceful, as well as filling us with satisfaction. The nuance and atmosphere are another matter that the bathroom tiles can create. The tile also can add more comfort value in your bathroom. This is important because the bathroom is the place you can use for relaxation while a dip in the warm water in your bathtub. Well, here are 10 best bathroom floor tile ideas you can try to get that great effect. Number 1. Hexagon floor tile. Hexagon tiles are often used for covering bathroom floors because tiles are very durable, water-resistant, and hex tiles can easily make a cool statement. The most popular idea here is to decorate a bathroom in neutral colors and add a contrasting hex tile floor in navy, black, dark gray, or any other color, and contrasting grout can help you to highlight the tiles. Number 2. White bathroom floor tile. White gloss bathroom floor tiles will tell your guests that their hosts are very tidy and accurate persons who respect clean home spaces. Besides, it is always a pleasure to step on the glossy, mirror-like floor that adds luxury and a little bit of glamour in your house and life. Number 3. Black and white bathroom floor tiles. The combination of black and white colors in the tiles is very classic. And if it is because it works. The contrast between both colors allows us to highlight figures and create pleasant patterns. With straight black lines drawn on a white background, you can give your bathroom a refined and classic look. Number 4. Black bathroom floor tiles. Black bathroom floor tiles, or explore eye-catching designs with patterned high-gloss split face and metro brick tiles. Black hexagon tiles with a dark grout will give your bathroom floor tile a uniform look. The impeccable quality of these black bathroom floor tiles will ensure that your house remains modern for a very long time. Number 5. Patterned bathroom floor tiles. Adding patterned floor tiles to your bathroom or kitchen is the most common way to use this beautiful tile trend. Patterned tiles on the floor are a great way to inject your personal style and creative flair to your space, and makes the floor the hero of the space. Number 6. Blue bathroom floor tiles. Use blue tiles to make a splashback or a feature wall to highlight areas in your bathroom or create a beautiful focal point in your room. The main kind of material for walls and floors must certainly be a dark blue bathroom tile. Blue and white is a perfect color combination for the bathroom as it looks like waves and foam. Number 7. Gray bathroom floor tiles. Gray is one of the best colors for the bathroom, as it has many shades that give you the opportunity to experiment and match. Dark gray floor tile will fit well into big bathrooms and will give you a great canvas for experimenting. Lighter shades of gray will be perfect for small bathrooms as they will not make them seem smaller. Number 8. Checkerboard bathroom floor tiles. The checkered pattern is classic. Even, straight lines, clear borders, and beautiful contrast of this pattern will make any bathroom look awesome. The best colors for this are, of course, black and white. They are not only the most used among designers but also the best in terms of utility. No matter what material you prefer, ceramics, porcelain, marble or vinyl, black and white checkered bathroom tile will make your bathroom look neat, elegant and austere. Number 9. Retro-inspired bathroom floor tiles. Because they are colorful, they will cheer up the space. Retro tiles can make the space happier and joyful. You can put them just on one wall, or you can make all walls with retro tiles. Retro bathroom floor tiles usually have geometric shapes and vivid colors. Number 10. Natural stone bathroom floor tiles. Bathroom flooring can make a big statement, whether it's a large master bathroom or a small powder room. Natural stone for bathroom countertops, floors, and walls is a viable option, thanks to modern sealers that reduce stone's susceptibility to water damage and staining. And natural stone may be a good choice for homeowners. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.